Have you ever connected to a Wi-Fi network before but later forgot the password? Or maybe you are using a computer that has already been connected to Wi-Fi and you need that same password to connect another device. Well, there's actually a simple way to find a safe Wi-Fi password on Windows, and I'm going to show you two quick ways to do it. The first method is using a Windows command. Okay, click on Windows plus R on your keyboard. A small round window will appear. Now type this command, ncpa.cpl. Then click on OK. This will open the network connections windows. Here you will find the Wi-Fi connection that the computer is currently using. So this is it. Right click on it and select status. Okay, select status. Now click on wireless properties. Click on wireless properties. Then go to security tab. Okay, here you will see a section called network security key, but the password will be hidden. So simply click on the show characters and the Windows will reveal the save Wi-Fi password here. That is it. But there is another way to get to the same place, and you don't even have to remember the ncpa.cpl command. Okay, open the Windows search bar and search for view network connections. Okay, click on it and Windows will take you directly to the same network connections windows. From here, the steps are exactly the same. Okay, the same procedure, the same, everything is the same. But in case you forgot the shortcut, this is for you to remember the name and then you are good to go. Okay, if you ever forgot the password or Wi-Fi network that your computer is already authorized to use it, remember, this is for networks and computers you own or have permission to use. It is not a way to break into someone else's Wi-Fi. Okay, if this little Windows trick helped you, make sure to subscribe to Philemon Electronics for more simple technology tips and tutorials.